English educational department student. This is the main material that we need to make. You can put the sugar and the black coffee powder. It means that the water is already boiled. Yeah. Guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me. I am Muhammad Nashir and I am an English educational department student. This is my first video which was made to complete my basic speaking final exam. What's wrong with this guy? The theme of this video is a procedure text and the topic is how to make a coffee. Then, before we go to the procedure, we need to prepare some materials that we need to make a cup of coffee. Well guys, I have already prepared all of the material that we need to make a cup of coffee. Here are the materials. First, this is a black coffee powder. Black coffee powder is the main material that we need, that we must have. Why I say it like that? Because hey, you don't playing around here. I need to keep away from this animal. Wait, this is a black coffee powder. What happened with the things? So, oh my god, hey, please. I'm so exhausted. Well, I'm not done yet with this thing. So this is fresh black coffee powder. This is the main material that we need to make a coffee. Why? Because if you want to make a coffee, of course you must have this thing. Yeah, if you don't have this thing, you could not make a coffee. Okay, let's next to the second material. Well, the second material is this. This is a sugar daddy. Oh my god, Nashir, don't do anything stupid. Let's be serious. This is a sugar. It's just for make it sweet. Yeah. Well guys, the other materials is this. This is a glass and a spoon. This is our weapon. Without this, we cannot stir our coffee, but it's too hot. It can hit your finger when you stir with your finger. It's also disgusting, right? So we need this. We need this spoon. That's good. Well guys, Jamaah rahimakumullah. We move to the step by step. Come on. Well guys, the first step is boil water. Guys, we can boil water with a stove. This is stove. When I click this, it's gonna be explosion. It's firing. That's good, really good. So we just boil our water. We click. It's firing. That's really good. Okay. We can wait it around 5 minutes. While we're waiting for the water to boil, we can put the sugar and the black coffee powder into the glass. Let's go. Yeah, okay guys, this is the second step. We can put the fresh black coffee powder into the glass. And also the sugar. I'll take 2 spoons of sugar because I like sweet. Yeah. Like sweet. Once more. Straight. Pretty good. Well guys, I wanna tell you something. In my Islamic boarding school, I usually boil water with using luwang. So, did you know what luwang is? Luwang is something square that have 2 holes in front of and above it. So we can put some wood in front of it, and when we burn it, we can boil our water above it with using a pan or something like that. That's 100% cold. classic. Wait, look at this, guys. The sound is like bluguduk, bluguduk, bluguduk. It means that the water is already boiled. Yeah, it's perfect. Alright, first step. When the water's boiled, just pour it into the glass. Okay, first step. Stir slowly with a spoon. Yeah, like this. Like this. Stir slowly. Yes. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Sabar. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, the last step. Your coffee is ready to serve. Well, guys, enjoy your own coffee and enjoy your day. I just wanna say, like, mostly people say on their closing part on this video. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like this video. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. I need to feeding my chicken. Look this. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.